Today we're going to check out more than a dozen amazing sneakers that are currently on sale over at the Commonwealth end of season or mid-year season sale. Simply pairs that you guys really have to check out. Most of these are rare pairs, collab pairs, and they're really dope that they're now on discount. So with that said, let's get to the sneaker. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so and make sure that you watch until the very end because we're actually going to announce another surprise giveaway. This giveaway will just last for 48 hours, so make sure that you guys watch until the very end so that you can see the mechanics on how you can be part of it. Let's jump right into it. Most of the sneakers that I'll be showing you are either from their branch over at SM Aura, which is newly renovated and the place looks amazing, or their branch over at Rockwell. I haven't been able to go to their branch over at Greenbelt, but I will drop by maybe in the next few days so that I can report back to you guys. So the first pair that really caught my attention were the Pharrell Solar U's. So these are the Solar Glide or Solar Driver or Solar whatever boost equipped sneakers in black, white, cream, and gray. They have the U logo in the middle, and they used to sell for over 8,300 pesos, roughly 180, 170 US dollars. They are 20% off, so you should be able to get them for 6,600 pesos, a little over 125, 130 US dollars. Not a bad deal, especially if you are a fan of Pharrell. Please do take note that you might want to consider going a half size up on those because they are kind of tight. Now, apart from that, we also have a wide range of colorways for the highly successful Nike React 270. So this is the combination of two of the most popular silhouettes of Nike. You have the Nike Air Max 270 and you have the Nike React technology. Now for this one, they have it in multiple colorways. So before we get to the colors, they are selling for 6,116 pesos, down from the original price of 7,645. The colorways are as follows. There is a clean black and white one. There is a clean blue and white one. Part of, I think this is like part of the music pack. They have the green, purple, yellow swoosh sneaker. They have the white with the pink bubble, and they have the multicolor with the purple bubble. So these are just some of the Nike Air Max 270 Reacts that are sitting over at SM Aura Commonwealth. They also had the Presto React, which is my favorite. This one in red with a pop of yellow near the midsole. This usually sells for 6,295 pesos. It has been knocked down to just 5,036 pesos. Again, that's 20% off. Take note that I did see some pictures of other colorways of the Presto React sitting at outlets from 20 to 25% off. So there is a chance that some of the sneakers that I'm mentioning today, it might actually pay off if you wait a little bit more, because we might see big sales happening towards near Christmas, near December, and hopefully we get to see like a 30-40% off on a Presto React. That would be a really killer deal. Now, apart from that, we also had a few Air Force, well, not a few, I just saw one. We have the Air Force One Type. So this originally came out in a white, blue, and orange color, but this one is actually my favorite color of the Type series, which is in black with a pop of light green at the back and the transparent material on the medial side of the shoe. Now this one usually sells for 7,195, 135, 140 US. It is now down to a little over $100 at just 5,396 pesos. Not a bad deal for this pair. Now going back to Adidas, we have the LXCon, Lexicon, whatever you want to call it, in multiple colorways, from the watermelon to the white one to the white pinkish one, and this one used to sell for 7,000 pesos. It has gone down to just 5,600 pesos, 110 US for the Adidas LXCon, Lexicon, whatever you want to call it. Now this sneaker, to those who don't know, is actually quite comfortable. It's easy to wear. It's like a great cheaper alternative to the Yeezy 350 Boost. Now we also have a great selection of Ultra Boosts waiting for you guys. We have the Ultra Boost 4.0 in a variety of colorways. The first one is a black and green one, which reminds me a lot of the, what do you call that, a Parley series. So this one originally sold for 8,900. It has been knocked down to 7,120. We also saw a pair with the black, purple, and red color. This one's definitely going to turn heads, and it's actually perfect for the Halloween season. And again, this usually sold for 8,900. This has been knocked down to just 7,120 pesos. We also had a white, red, and black boost heel type of Ultra Boost. 8,500 was the original SRP. It has been knocked down to just 6,800 pesos. And we also had the black multicolor, which has been knocked down to a little over 6,700 pesos from the original price of 8,500. So again, a lot of the Ultra Boosts are now sitting on 20% sale. Check them out over at Commonwealth, at Rockwell and SM Aura. Now, apart from that, we also have other Ultra Boosts that might, I don't know, interest you guys. We have the Ultra Boost 19 Sneaker Consortium. So this is the Asia exclusive in the mint green with pops of red and darker green. I actually have that pair. Did the review on it. I'll put a link somewhere down below or somewhere on the screen. Now, this is a pricey Adidas Ultra Boost 19, guys. Usually sells for 12,000 pesos. But they did knock it down to just 9,600 pesos. Still pricey AF. So hopefully we get to see that price knocked down even more. We also had the Ultra Boost 19 white and orange from 9,300 to 7,700, 20% off. I got this exact same sneaker, I think, for a little over 6,000 at the Riverbanks outlet in Adidas. That was a really nice pickup, by the way. Now, these are just some of the sneakers that are on sale over at SM Aura. If you move on over to the branch at at Rockwell, there are also different selections that you might want to check out. The first one that comes to mind are their selection of the Y3 Yohji Yamamoto sneakers. So I don't know all the names, but I do know they are pricey, they are expensive, but at least now they are on 20% off. Most of the time, they were selling anywhere from like 15 to 20,000. So 20% off, that's a relatively good discount. So if you're a fan of Y3, if you're a fan of his apparel as well as his sneakers, now would be the best time to actually check them out. Another sneaker that got my attention was the new colorway of the Debus Oswego. This is in that, I think, almost grayish or dark greenish color. This one sells for, I think, around 6,500, 7,000 at 20% off. It's an amazing deal by whatever angle you look at it, guys. It's really a good deal. So if you are a fan of that particular colorway, that particular silhouette, check that out. Sitting over at the Commonwealth branch at Rockwell. Rockwell. I'm starting to mix things up with all of the sale sneakers. Now, those are just the sneakers that are on sale, but there are also sneakers that aren't on sale that might warrant your attention. Though the collection that probably merits the most is the new Pharrell Williams Love Pack, which includes the Pharrell Williams tennis sneakers, the Solar U, as well as the NMD Trail, the one with the giant heart at the middle. So I actually did a review on that. I'll try to put a link somewhere here just in case you guys haven't seen that yet. They also had new colorways of the Ultra Boost. One was in some sort of like solar red, the other one in some sort of like solar green or vault. Both were selling for 8,500. And they also had new colors of the Night Joggers. One was a really nice black, red, and white number, which had me interested, and I probably would have copped. But I do have the Adidas Night Jogger White Mountaineering sneaker, which for me, I think is the best night jogger to come out this 2019. So those were the sneakers that caught my attention over at the Commonwealth branch at SM Aura. However, there was also another store that just recently opened, and they had great sneakers. Now, the name of the store is COLE HAAN, and most of you probably know COLE HAAN for their dress shoes. And they are pricey dress shoes. But the great news is that they now have a line that's much more price sensitive at around 6,600 pesos. It's called, I think, the Generation Grand. I do have two pairs with me. One I will raffle away. The one that I'll raffle away is actually a size 10, and it is a collab pair. And allow me to just take it out of the box for you guys. So this is the 0 Grand box. As you can see, COLE HAAN. It says here, Generation 0 Grand, yellow knit and yellow. This is actually in collaboration with Chinatown Market. And if you pop the box open, it even comes in its own dust bag with Chinatown. So again, that's a really nice touch to it. Also comes with extra black laces. This is what the sneaker looks like. So you have that really nice smiley face here at the toe box of the knit upper, and then you have that midsole over here, which is awesome, from COLE HAAN. Please do take note, my only concern or issue with this pair is that it's not wide foot friendly. I feel that the mid part is really too thin. I mean, just take a look at that. But yeah, guys, if you are a fan of COLE HAAN and the problem is that you haven't found a pair that's affordable, great news is that they now have a line which sells for just a little over 6,000 to 7,000 pesos, including this collaboration with Chinatown Market. Now make sure that you keep watching. I will be announcing the mechanics before we end the video. Now I also bought one pair for me, and this is like my official Tito sneakers. Reminds me a lot of James Deacon. Anyway, this is a blue and brown number. So you have that blue upper, knitted upper. You have that accent of brown leather here over the laces and here at the heel. It's just a nice, easy to wear, lightweight shoe that I was able to buy for a little over 6,000 pesos. So if you have been thinking of buying a COLE HAAN sneaker, now would probably be the best time because of the adjusted prices as well as these new silhouettes that have multiple colorways that you can check out at the COLE HAAN store over at SM Aura. Now my hair is flying all over the place. Now we get to the giveaway. So I am giving away the size 10 Chinatown Market Generation Grand, and the mechanics are simple as usual. Number one, you have to follow me on number one, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number two, you have to follow me on Instagram. Number three, just leave a comment down below, guys, on what sneaker in my entire list you like the most and why, and then include your IG handle. I will be drawing the winners in just 2 days, so I am posting this on a Monday evening or on a Monday afternoon. So the winner will be announced on my Facebook community or my Instagram account probably around Wednesday or Thursday. So again, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you follow all of those mechanics so that you can have a chance of winning the sneaker from Chinatown Market and COLE HAAN. And with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed our vlog for today. Shout out to Commonwealth, shout out to COLE HAAN, shout out to all of our amazing partners, shout out to all of you. Peace, God bless, what's up? I hope you all have an amazing week. Boom.